Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix DeepSeek AI verification code not receiving. So let's get started. First of all, what you will need to do is to check the server of the DeepSeek AI, as sometimes the servers of DeepSeek are down. So what you will need to do is to wait for a little time and then see if it works again. The next solution you can try is by going to your App Store or your Play Store and then go to the search icon at the bottom. Now over here at the top, search for VPN and then you can select any of these preferred VPNs and make sure to download them. Once downloaded, open them up and make sure to connect to a fast server and see if it works. If the issue is still not fixed, then what you will need to do is to change your email address. So make sure to choose an active email address and then see if you get the code. If it still doesn't work, then what you will need to do is to refresh the site of DeepSeek AI, and this should fix the issue that you have been facing. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.